This car just flew over traffic. No CGI, no movie. This is real life. It drives like a normal car, then transforms. Wings unfold.
These futuristic tech videos get millions of views every single day. And no, they're not made by big studios. They look insanely advanced, but they're actually very easy to make. So I built a full AI system, and today I'll show you exactly how to create these videos step by step. I'm talking about videos like flying cars in real cities, AI glasses replacing phones, fully automated smart homes. They look insanely real. They get millions of views with simple visuals. And most people think this is CGI or very hard to make, but it's not. These videos are created using simple AI tools, and the demand for this content is growing fast. People love watching things that feel like this can't be real, but actually are. That curiosity makes them watch till the end, and even rewatch again. More watch time equals more views equals more growth. And now I'll show you the exact system. Step 1. Find viral topic. First, open ChatGPT. Use your real but futuristic tech prompt. This will generate ideas like floating trains, AI smart glasses, self-driving cars. Pick topics that feel unbelievable but actually exist. That's the key to going viral. Step 2. Generate script. Now take one topic, paste it into your script prompt. ChatGPT will generate a short, high-curiosity script. Make sure your script follows this structure: hook, curiosity, reveal, proof, then ending. Keep it short, fast, and engaging. Step 3. Generate voice. Now go to Google AI Studio Tools. Click on Speech and Music. Click on third option. Now click Single Speaker Audio. Paste your script. Select a calm, futuristic voice. Keep it slightly deep and clear. Generate the voiceover, then download it. And note the total duration. This will decide how many visuals you need. Step 4. Generate visuals. Now go back to ChatGPT. Use your visual prompt. Just enter the total duration of video, and it will automatically create scene prompts. Example, if your video is 70 seconds, you get 10 scenes. Step 5. Create video.
Now search Google Vid on Google. Click on this logo website. Get started. Now you get 3 frame. We use portrait for shorts. Now click on VEO3. Paste your first scene prompt and generate. Click on video and insert in timeline. Generate each scene one by one. Try to keep the same style and environment. This makes your video look consistent. Download it.
Now open CapCut. Import all your clips plus voiceover. Arrange scenes based on timing. Zoom it for remove watermark. Then add auto-captions. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. Then add background music. Then export it in 1080p. This system can generate unlimited future tech videos. And the best part? Most people still don't know about it. Start now before it gets saturated.